wrist, twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen wrist, twisted like it's stir fry. I'll take a whip it, intermission, let the birds fly. I get money, turn no vision through my third eye. Money, down that skillet, watch me flip it like it's Five Guys. Black and white pilgrim, check out the ceiling, look at the blue.
The week is over. I'm back with another snack lesson. So what we're going to do is grab that magical water from Wakanda. If you don't have that hookup yet, it's cool, sis. Grab your tap. And you want to spray that like 50 million times, obviously. You done, sis? But we starting off with dry, freshly washed hair. So that's why I put so much water. But, oh, there go my old faithful. The Pantene 3-Minute Miracle. Y'all already know. Love it. You know what the smell remind me of? Like a fresh Popeyes $5 box. Fresh biscuit, fresh chicken, fresh sides. Just a little piece of heaven. Girl, I must be hungry. But yeah, we going to tingle. This girl, what is that flying around? Okay, I'm sorry. We going in with this overnight repair cream by Pantene also. I just wanted my hair to be extra moisturized and protected under this protective style. And as you can see, 2 Pantenes are better than 1. Because my curls are everything right now. Girl, I'm lame for that. Now we going in with our ORS. A very little amount. Girl, who am I mugging in? A very little amount. Focusing on our ends, okay? And we gonna work that on in. From the ends to the roots. And I'm obviously feeling myself coming up to the camera like that. And we detangling again. I don't know what's up with all this detangling. But I'm already done the other sections. I'm working in sections again. So I'm just going to go ahead and clip this on up. And we going to move right along, okay? Yo, my phone stopped recording so many times. I just wanted to say forget this video. But I kept pushing through. But I'm just going in with my Eco Styler gel, the olive oil kind. And I just broke my nail right there. Girl.
You're killing me.
I kept pushing
You're
through.
really killing me.
And I'm detangling my hair with my dimming brush. So the key component to getting your swoop and the sleekness of this look, I'm going to tell you because my footage got cut out. But I alternated between a soft bristle brush, my red tail comb, and that toothbrush. And that's how I got the sleekness of my hair. I alternated about 50 million times between those 3 items. And I'm just going to detangle this puff because it's a mess. You could always add some Eco Styler gel to make it easier to detangle that. But girl, nah. This got to be, no lie. It does its thing. But it dries up quicker than a conversation with a dude who ain't got no car. I gotta go. I got to go. And secondly, it flakes. Frosted flakes, sis. And we ain't trying to eat no cereal. I want pancakes. So I would just say stick to the Eco. Because we ain't got time for them. Right here, we're going to leave our hair in a ponytail and grab that $5 hair. So with our $5 hair in hand, we're going to grab a piece. But don't be like me and go straight Madea mode, please. Exactly. Now look at our hair. A frizzy mess. But if you do happen to come across this problem, just add some hairspray or oil and you should be fine. And now I'm going to take the scrunchie, wrap it around the $5 hair, take 1 loop of the scrunchie, and go right into the hole. and bring it on out. That's as simple as I can explain it. Now, after I get this hair up out my way, we need that. I'm going to attach one ponytail to the other ponytail. Y'all, do not come for me. I know I'm looking like I'm coming straight out of surgery, but I needed a refill and that hair kept getting stuck in my fingernails, so the gloves had to come through. But now we're just taking our hair and wrapping it around our $5 hair. And please be neater than me. I redid this the next day because it's really pitiful. I couldn't see nothing, so I was going by feels. But now we just gonna take our bobby pin and pin that on up. But get it together, sis. This is a mess. So this part of my footage got deleted. But all I did was take that piece we left out and wrapped it around my real hair and pinned that up.
I make sure that Northside eat. And still, bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me.